Welcome to The Kitchen. I'm your host, Ben, and as you know on this show, we go over different kitchen appliances and how we use them. Today, we are going over the white grain heater. As you can see, it's very easy to use and quite stylish. When you open it, you just add rice, a cup of rice, and fill it to the designated sections. As you can see, I have filled the water up to level 1 because I only added 1 cup of rice. Now I'm going to add some seasonings like salt, a little shake, and then you close it, and then you press cook. Now that that's done, we can open it up and look at how it is. Would you look at that? Deliciousness in a can. Let's scoop it out and dish it up. Yeah. Okay. Next, we'll add some seasonings. And now, we'll take a big old bite. Delicious. All right, folks. We'll catch you next time at The Kitchen with Ben.